Welcome to the Digital Beef Basics tutorial. The following video will show you how to log into your Digital Beef profile, as well as show you some of the basic functions of Digital Beef. To begin, navigate to the ABHA website and click on the Digital Beef link on the right side of the website. Enter your login information and choose Login. The first time you log into Digital Beef, it is important to make sure that all of your information is correct. By clicking Edit under your information, you can change the website, password, and your ranch name. And then click Save. All other information can be changed by the ABHA office staff. Next, you should add a photo. This can be your ranch logo or a picture of an animal. Either way, click Update Photo and choose a file from your computer. The landing page of Digital Beef has many features that can be helpful. First, you can search an animal or search members or ranch names. When searching, you must have at least 2 characters. To search an animal, you can type its name or its number. Once you search, you can click View. You can also search a ranch or a person. And again, you can click View. This will show you the information for that ranch or that person, such as contact, email. At the center of the screen, you have access to different resources. First, if you are having trouble with the Digital Beef, you can click on Support, and you can type in your information and the description of the problem that you are having. The next thing you can do is click Help. Here, you can get help for adding your member details, herd management, registration and transfers, and certificate management. A very helpful tool located at the center of the page is the calendar calculator. This allows you to quickly determine a cow's due date, conception date, next cycle, and approximate dates for weaning, yearlings, and ultrasounds according to the BIF standards. The rest of the Digital Beef functions are categorized into profile options, herd options, and tools. Under Profile Options, you can click Payments and Invoices in order to view all of your invoices, payments you have made, as well as being able to make a payment. Contacts allows you to add multiple contacts for your ranch or change the one that you already have entered. You can also add customers information, and it also shows you all customers that you have done business with. The next link, which is Sales and Transfers, can access a history of all your sales and transfers that are completed by you. The Reports button will generate herd performance summaries, weaning summaries, calf summaries, and more. And finally, the Sales Catalog link will show you cattle that are currently for sale within the association, as well as being able to add your own. The next category is the Herd Options category. These are the links that you will be most often using. First, the Herd Options button is where you will record data and register animals. You can also access your contemporary groups, embryo and semen inventory, herd health data, request PV, pasture management, and breeding groups. You can also access your work queues within this same category. To access your work queues directly from the home page, click Work Queues. This takes you directly to the page to register and transfer animals as well as record their data, birth, weaning, and yearling. The Transfers link leads you to transferring animals from your herd to someone else's. The next two, ET and AI certificates, show you your inventory for these 2 categories. If you click on AI certificates, you can also click the certificate sales inventory to view who you have sold to. The final one in this category is genetic defects. This link will take you to where a list of your animals that you have tested for genetic defects is. The third and final category of links is tools. The first tool is integration. This link allows you to pull in data from other herd management programs such as Cattle Max and Cattle Pro. By clicking the name of the herd management software, you can choose a file from your computer and submit it to be uploaded to your Digital Beef profile. The progeny calculator gives you the ability to pair up bulls with potential cows and predict their EPDs. The gestation calculator is the same type of calculator as the one at the top of the page. This allows you to quickly determine a cow's due date, conception date, next cycle, and approximate dates for weaning, yearlings, and ultrasounds according to the BIF standards. The genetic trends link will show reports over time intervals of that genetic marker, such as wean weights, yearling weights, milk, and so on. And finally, you can choose data trends to show trends of when you collected data on your animals, such as calving, weaning, and yearling, as well as ultrasound.